Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited to film today. It's been a minute for me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma and I love playing with makeup. I love creating different makeup looks and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I don't know what I'm gonna create, but you know, I have things here, like different things that I could play with. I have these two ColourPop thingies, eyeshadows that I want to try. And I'm debating between this palette and this palette right now. They're both really awesome. So we'll see. And then I wanted to do the pop of shimmer in the lid. So I already did my foundation. I used the Maybelline Fit Me. And then of course, I moisturize my face. I prime with my Wet n Wild. This one right here, the serum. And yes, I'm sick again. And Lily ended up getting it on New Year's Eve weekend. The whole New Year weekend, she got sick. Then the following Monday after that, I got sick. And it's been like, I've been trying to shake it off for a whole week. And it's like, get away. But it's been almost a week and I'm like feeling a lot better. But yeah, I think you can still hear it in my voice. And my brows, by the way, I did it with the Soap and Glory eyebrow pencil. And let's do it. I prepped my lid as well. I used the Incognito by Wet n Wild. The shade on this is medium neutral. I figured let's do this palette so that way we could use one of these, you know, like a neutral smoked out eye and then pop that shade in the middle. So let's do like I don't know, maybe like a brown grayish look. Let's use this one. It's like a light brown, really light brown. And I'm gonna use this brush and just, this would be for my transition color. So I'm gonna put it on my arch here of my crease. And if you hear any noises of cartoons and things, Lily's right next to me with her iPad. Oh, I don't like this brush. I'm gonna use this one. This one's by Eco Tools. It's called Defining Crease Brush. I'm gonna use that same color. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this darker brown here. And I'm gonna place it on the outer corner to create that depth, that outer V. And this brush is by Real Techniques. It's called Essential Crease Brush. And yes, I need to wash my brushes. I haven't even been at work for a whole week because of that. Like, it sucked. I was just home trying to get this cold away. Like this. Now I'm gonna go in with that same color, and it's the smudge brush by e.l.f. So pretty much what I did this week was just clean up the house, wash my sheets and towels, right? Organize, just a lot of cleaning, man, because it's bad. Lily got better, but I'm still like, she still has like little mocos, but they're going away now. So there, I placed it on the bottom part of my lash, like halfway right there. And I connected it with the outer V crease part right here, like this. Now I'm gonna get this one. It's by ColourPop. The color is Sure Thing Super Shadow Shock Ultra Glitter. Yee, pretty. I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna place it on my lid. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so maybe I'm going ahead of myself, but I'm gonna use this blush by NYX. It's called Bang Bang. Jubilee by Kiss. What? Contour palette by e.l.f. My angled brush by Eco Tools. More blush. This is my Makeup Revolution little wand. My nose is like, I'm getting the, yeah, and I can't even breathe right now. But we're gonna finish this. Now let's move on to the lips. Okay, the lipstick, or should I say lip mousse, that I chose was the Cloud Pout by Wet n Wild Marshmallow Lip Mousse. And I know it smells really good, but I can't smell anything right now. Yeah. Put more on it. Let's ignore the nose area. I know I have redness here. I just blew my nose like 30 times while making this video, and you know, all the makeup kind of went away. I kind of put some back on, but you know, I am sick. Okay, so now let's set our makeup with the Fix Plus by MAC. Ooh. I like chocolate. You already had a chocolate. And there it is, everybody. This is my finished look. Yay. This is peeling, this is peeling, all this is peeling. And I hope I get better soon, I swear. It's just still coming, and you know. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends. And I had so much fun creating this. I was like, I've been wanting to get on it, but also Lily was sick, and I had to like lay with her too and be there for her, 'cause she hated it when I would sit on the desk. So and thank you so much for your support. Have a great day, have a great week, and thank you so much. Have a good one.